Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where you get updates on tech and lifestyle. Today we are checking out the sports band that can monitor your sleep, your stress, your heart rate, your breathing, your blood oxygen saturation, and keep up with your workouts, and can even be used for swimming. All of that in a stunning AMOLED full screen touch display that is priced at less than 2,000 pesos. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. Stick around to know more about it. Okay, so let's start with the box. It's black. I like it. It's nice. It looks sleek. I guess it's kind of like refreshing for me to see a box that is black. The material is some kind of reflective also, and the texts are white. So you can easily see if you just put it under a light. On the side, you can see the initial features of the Mi Band 6. 1.56 crisp and clear full AMOLED display. Blood oxygen saturation monitoring, stress monitoring and breathing training, menstrual cycle data tracking, up to 30 workout modes, data tracking and automatic workout detection, water resistant of up to 50 meters, swimming stroke recognition, reliable sleep information recording, and magnetic charging. So those are a lot of features packed into one band. This is the watch. Inside the box, you get the Mi Band 6, the charging cable, and also the user manual. If you have the time, please do read the user manual. It's only a couple of pages. It's really thin. Here you will get information on where not to use the Mi Band 6. Very useful information. This one, I like the charging cable. It's thin, it's quite long also. The charging tip is also nice. It's magnetic. I think it really holds the watch well, and it holds up pretty nicely. Doesn't fall off, so you wouldn't have any problem if you just bump on it, move it a bit, and it's not charging. The display is just the right size for a band. 1.5 AMOLED display, big improvement for the Mi Band 5. Screen brightness is up to 450 nits and adjustable brightness too. The screen is tempered glass and it also has an anti-fingerprint coating, which is really nice. Okay, what's nice about this is this one also have a lot of displays for you to choose from. You can choose from a variety of watch faces via the Mi Fit app. So how do you set up your Mi Band 6? Well, the first thing that you need to do is you download the Mi Fit app. It's available in Android and iOS. Make sure that you're logged on to your Mi account. If you don't have one, it's so easy and fast to make one. Follow the instructions and connect and pair to the band with your phone, and then you're good to go. You can also check out the Xiaomi Wear app. This is where you can also see your sleeping habits and other data that you might not see on the Mi Fit app. As for the gestures, all you have to do is swipe up and down to view the functions and swipe right to return to previous page. On your wrist, it feels really light. You can barely feel that you're wearing it. It is also water resistance of up to 5 ATM or 50 meters, so you can use that for your laps by the pool. Yes, this one has swimming stroke recognition. You can also remove the fitness tracker from the band. Just make sure to remove it carefully. This one can fit the Mi Band 5 bands. So if you have like extra bands of Mi Band 5 laying around, a type of band that you really like, then you can upgrade and then just use the Mi Band 6 into those bands, and then you're good to go. More customization for you. And you can also use the Mi Band 5 charger to charge your Mi Band 6. Now, where do you actually use the Mi Band 6? The device is designed with the fitness tracker at its core. It included a total of 30 fun and challenging workout types, indoor training or professional sports like gymnastics or even some fun activities. Auto detection mode on walking, treadmill, cycling, rowing machine, and elliptical. One thing that I like about the Mi Band 6 is the health tracking features. It features a SpO2 or blood oxygen saturation, heart rate monitoring, and also enhanced sleep tracking function. Female health tracking or menstrual cycle data tracking is also available for more health insights into the body and lifestyle of women. Other things that you can do here is the camera shutter button, music control, and my favorite, Find My Phone, which is very useful for me. And it will ring just like that. There's also a timer, an alarm, and also weather and workout history. The notifications are readable and it's 5.56 AMOLED screen. It's not so bad. This is one of the notifications. It says idle alert. So you've been sitting for too long, it basically reminds you to get moving, to stand up because you've been sitting for too long. So I like those kinds of reminders. The battery of the Mi Band 6 gives you 14 days of normal use. Charging is not so bad, around 70 to 80% in 1 hour, or fully charged by 2 hours. It's not so bad. Overall, I think that the Mi Band 6 looks great. It performs really well. Size is convenient and text and notifications are clear and readable. Now, if you're coming from the Mi Band 5, should you upgrade to the Mi Band 6? There are some updates that are worth noting, like the SpO2 monitoring, and of course, the significant increase of its display size. Another, of course, is the 30 workout modes. If you're coming from the Mi Band 4, that would be a much bigger leap in terms of specs and features. For those who never had a fitness tracker before, this would be a nice introductory device for you to explore and make use of. There's so many features that you can do with the Mi Band 6. It has all of the specs, monitoring, and also the features that you can get. And it's only priced at 1,990 pesos. But what do you guys think of the Mi Band 6? Is this something that you would buy as an upgrade from your existing fitness tracker? Is this your first time buying a fitness tracker? Let me know down in the comment section. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified on your future uploads. As always, thank you for watching. My name is Mike, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.